the old saying, forgive and forget. This is just real personal to me. I don't buy into that. And the reason I don't buy into it is because when we say forgive and forget, that's superficial, fake forgiveness. Because you can forgive and remember. I've forgiven a lot and I remember what you did, but I'm good now. We can forgive and remember. That's when real healing has occurred. Forgive and forget, yeah, I forgot that. And sometimes when you hear people saying it that way, they have such disdain in their tone. Are you really forgiven? Why are you mad?
I didn't know what to expect but I knew it was going to be good because Dr. Martin is always good. And my experience with her as her client is that even when I think I don't need to show up for therapy, I always get something out of it, out of our sessions. Even when I walk in feeling like, oh, I don't really have much to talk about, something always comes out of it. And so I had the same confidence in this workshop that I would get something out of it. When I got here, I didn't know what to expect, and a lot of emotion came out in the morning as we talked about childhood wounds. And then when we did the exercise on facing ourselves and speaking to ourselves in the mirror, there was like a little angel or something on my shoulder saying, like, urging me to get up and do the exercise. But there was another conflicting thought that had me scared to get up and honestly like shaking in my boots. And I didn't say anything, but Dr. Martin looked at me and was like, Kharena, do you want to say something? And then I spoke a little bit. And I had a truly divine connection with another woman that I had never met before who is going through a similar experience. And it's not what I would consider a common experience. It's something that I felt very alone in, but I was able to connect with someone that we've now exchanged numbers, and I feel like I've not only gained from Dr. Martin today, but I've gained a community of women or a community of people that are going through similar situations.